In today's video, I'm going to show you this Gemini feature that automates sheets instantly right here in Google Sheets using Gemini GEMS. So here in Google Sheets, your Gemini GEMS are customized AI helpers that follow save instructions to work with your spreadsheet or your data in a consistent way. They can analyze tables, clean or organize your data, generate formulas, generate data, create summaries, and so on. These are common analysis tasks without repeating the same prompts each time. Gemini GEMS are like reusable data assistants inside Sheets that help you work faster and reduce the manual effort to get consistent results from your data. So where do we find these gems? Once you already have access to Gemini. Open Gemini right here with this icon. Just click on that and it will open your Gemini panel. On this panel, just go to the top left corner and click on More Options. And here we have in the middle your gems. If we want to view all of our gems right here, just click on this one. Here we have them. So we have some pre-made gems right here. Google has created these ones. Now you can go ahead and use this for your data, depending on what type of data that you have and what you want to do with that data. And of course, you can also create your own. Now, I've already created mine, and I'm going to link you to another video where I created this gem right here. But if we click on this one, there we have it. We have this random data generator. So what it would do would be to create random data with just a few keywords. So this is the thing that I always do, especially with creating content for Google Sheets. I usually use random data that I can use for my examples. So for this example, I'm going to show you how I do it. So random data generator. What I do here is I just specify how many rows, how many columns, and what type of topic I want for this random data. So I'm going to start up with the rows. I can just simply say 15 rows. Then the number of columns, that's going to be, let's say, 5 columns. And the type of data that I want would be, let's say, just sales. So with those 3 key points, I don't have to start a prompt that would say that create me a random data with a table that consists of 15 rows, 5 columns, and the topic would be sales. I don't have to write everything. I just have to write these keywords right here, press enter, and it will generate that random data for me. So that's what's great about these gems. You don't have to rewrite the same prompt over and over again. Just put in the keywords that you need for that gem and it will create that data for you. And here we have it. With just those keywords, Gemini was able to create this random data for me that I'm going to be using for this video. And there you have it. So we have this table, which has 15 rows, 5 columns, and the main idea or the main topic would be sales. If I want to insert this, I'm just going to click on insert right here. And here we have it. I've quickly generated that random data for this video using my random data generator gem with Gemini here in Google Sheets. So that's a quick and neat Gemini feature that automates Sheets instantly right here in Google Sheets with the help of Gemini. If you're interested on how to create this gem, I'm going to be linking on the full playlist of this series, this Gemini series, where I show you how to use Gemini here in Google Sheets with a card at the top right corner for you to check out. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.